Ever wondered how Bitcoin works, how it's changing the world, and why everyone is talking about it? Whether you're new to crypto or just curious to learn more, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking it all down: how Bitcoin works, why it's revolutionary, and everything you need to know to understand the future of money. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a digital currency, also known as a cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, Bitcoin isn't printed or controlled by any government or central bank. It exists entirely online and relies on technology, specifically blockchain, to operate. In simple terms, Bitcoin is like the internet's money: secure, decentralized, and global. Anyone, anywhere in the world can send and receive Bitcoin without needing a middleman like a bank. So, how does Bitcoin actually work? Here's the breakdown. Bitcoin transactions are powered by something called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a giant digital ledger or record book where every Bitcoin transaction is stored. This ledger is distributed across thousands of computers around the world, so it's incredibly secure and nearly impossible to tamper with. The beauty of Bitcoin is its decentralization. Instead of relying on a central authority, like a bank, Bitcoin's network operates on peer-to-peer technology. This means transactions happen directly between users, and they're verified by computers, called miners, all over the world. Now let's talk about mining. Mining is the process where computers solve complex mathematical problems to verify transactions. Once a problem is solved, the transaction is added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with new Bitcoin. This is how new Bitcoins are created, and it's also how the network stays secure. Just like you store money in a physical wallet, you store Bitcoin in a digital wallet. A Bitcoin wallet can be an app on your phone, a software program, or even a hardware device that you keep offline for extra security. Your wallet allows you to send and receive Bitcoin, check your balance, and track your transactions. But remember, it's essential to keep your wallet's private keys secure. This is like a password to your digital bank account. Sending Bitcoin is simple. You just need the recipient's wallet address. Think of it like an email address for Bitcoin. Once you send it, the transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network, where miners verify and record it on the blockchain. Within minutes, the transaction is complete and both parties are notified. Because Bitcoin transactions happen directly between users and don't require intermediaries, they're faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional methods like bank transfers or wire payments. Now, you might be wondering, if Bitcoin isn't backed by any government or physical asset, why is it so valuable? The answer lies in its scarcity and the growing demand. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. That's it. No more can ever be created. This limited supply combined with the increasing global demand is what drives its value. As more people realize Bitcoin's potential, its price could keep rising. Bitcoin offers tons of advantages. Here are just a few. Bitcoin can be used anywhere in the world. No need for conversion fees or dealing with exchange rates. No bank or government controls it. Bitcoin belongs to the people. Bitcoin transactions are completed in minutes no matter where you are on the planet. Thanks to blockchain technology, Bitcoin is incredibly secure. Once a transaction is recorded, it's nearly impossible to alter. Let's quickly address a few myths about Bitcoin. Many people think Bitcoin is only for criminals, or that it's too volatile to be trusted. While Bitcoin has been used for various purposes, the majority of users are simply people and businesses using it as a legitimate form of payment and investment. Also, while Bitcoin can be volatile, its long-term trend has been upward. Many investors see it as a store of value, much like digital gold. Ready to get started? It's easier than ever. Here's how you can buy Bitcoin in a few simple steps. Choose a trusted wallet provider like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. You can buy Bitcoin using traditional currency like USD, EUR, or others. Simply transfer funds from your bank account or use a payment method like PayPal. Once you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you can send it to anyone, trade it, or hold on to it as an investment. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolutionary force that's changing the way we think about money, value, and freedom. The sooner you understand how it works, the sooner you can take advantage of the opportunities it offers. So, what are you waiting for? The future of finance is here, and it's called Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video and you're ready to dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. See you in the next video where we explore even more ways to master the world of crypto. Stay curious and stay ahead. Catch you in the future, where Bitcoin is the new norm.